In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore archived posts or posts that are missing on your Instagram profile back to your profile. So I have this post here, but if I go back to my profile, I can't find it. I only have one post, yet there are supposed to be two. Ideally, this happens if you archived a post. So let me show you how you can restore a post that has been archived. Now, all you need to do to recover your post is to tap on this image here on the bottom right corner of your screen to open your profile. Now from here, go ahead and tap on these three lines, and when you tap on them, you'll see an option called Archive. Now this is where all the missing posts on your Instagram profile are stored when they have not been deleted. So go ahead and tap on Archive. I can see now my image here, but the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and select on top here the type of post you want, because sometimes it might be set to stories. For instance, if I tap on it, you might see we have archived stories and we have archived posts and live archives. So in most cases, it is set to stories that have been archived. So you may want to go ahead and change this to post archive by selecting on post archives. And now when you tap on the image, you can see it is here. To restore it, all you need to do is to tap on these three dots here, and then we'll have an option to show on profile. So go ahead and tap on show on profile and then confirm that we want to show on profile. And you can see it has been restored. Now, if we go back to our profile, and now after we have restored our post, all we need to do is to go and tap on our profile picture, and then you'll find that the post we have just retrieved is here now. So that's how you restore archived posts on your Instagram account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.